How to change FPL formation. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for fantasy.premierleague.com. Here, go ahead and make sure that you are signed in, and now in order to change your formation, tap on the pick team option you see there. For now, scroll down and as you can see, my formation is 4-4-2. So in order to change it, for instance, if you want 3 forwards and 3 midfielders as your formation, so as you can see, I right now have 4 midfielders. So in order to add 3 forwards, tap on the midfielder that you want to remove from the squad and you will see the option for substitute. So tap on the substitute option and then go ahead and select a forward player instead of another midfielder as the substitution player, and then tap on the substitute option you see there, and with this tap on the save your team option at the bottom of your screen, and just like that, as you can see, the formation has been changed to 4-3-3 instead of 4-4-2. So this was about how you can change a formation in FPL. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.